take the stand.
Where did I put it?
No, no. Take the stand.
I got it. Now what do I do with it? Sit down.
Hey everybody, it's Andrew in Virginia from the Relic Rangers, and we are out metal detecting on a new hunt. We have a brand new permission we're really excited about. This house site is in an old town, and it's on an 1880, I believe 84 map, but it is a cold and wet day. And we were just outside the truck getting our machines ready, and here comes another downpour of wet, slushy rain, and it's cold. There's no house on the site now, but like I said, there's a lot of history. We're really close to the town courthouse, surrounded by old houses, but this lot, for whatever reason, is set empty for many, many years. Okay, so we're going to be trying out some brand new rain gear because we are going to
England this year.
Yeah, the Relic Rangers are going to England. The Relic Rangers are going to England. Can you believe that?
Yeah.
We are going to find real hammered coins, not old railroad hammered Indian pennies, but these are going to be real hammered coins, maybe Roman coins.
Yeah, we're
who
hoping.
knows? Yeah, who knows?
Something hammered.
Yeah, but we'll take you with us and we'll film everything. Or Saxon?
You know what I was thinking?
What?
Or get hammered.
Or we'll get hammered. Finding hammered coins, we'll get hammered. What does that mean?
Someone's getting hammered. Some hammered.
Yeah.
Some.
Sweet fries.
Yeah.
What else is English? We'll have
Sorry.
English muffins.
Sorry
I don't
for all our
know.
English viewers, but sweet fries are not our thing. Especially for breakfast.
Yeah, their fish and chips are a little different.
Yeah. But tea's pretty good.
Yeah, except for the black tea. So today, little Rosie's going to start with your eTrac?
Yes.
She's going to start out with the eTrac,
Well,
and she's killing it with the eTrac. She's killing
I
it.
don't know though. It's
She's making
kinda,
us all look really bad.
That's what I'm good at.
So stay tuned, and we will bring you live on the first good hole. All right, I got a good target, you guys. I came over to tell Virginia. I've got a silver coin in the hole, but just checking on Virginia. She's got the Equinox 800 right now. I wanted to show you a little bit of where the old house at on this property. Let me turn you around. So anyway, you can see right here the old steps that come up. That was steps out to the old road. I'm trying not to show too much in this area, but yeah, there's the old steps that kind of come up to the house here. And you can see there's an old house right here that was built in the teens. But coming around this old yard. Let me get the CTX out of the way because I forgot my headphones, so I got my threshold up. I like a loud threshold when I'm working. Anyway, it is right there. It was down under a root and I popped it out and I could tell right away it's a silver dime. See it? See what it is.
That looks nice.
Yeah, you got the water. Let's see what we got here. See what that is?
Ooh. Is it a Merc?
Oh, it is a Mercury. Wow. Oh yeah. Wow, that side looks really good.
Ooh, very nice.
Yeah.
I think it's a 42.
Okay, that's a real common date.
Yeah, 42.
All right, well, cool, man. First silver at the site. Let's keep going.
Wow, very, very good. Good job.
Thanks.
Leave it to Silverhawk to find the silver.
Fist bump. Okay, guys, check it out. I just plugged up my hole. So I got the 42 Merc. Listen to this. Yeah, let me get the numbers on the screen. 1244, 1245 at 6 inches. There's gonna be another one here. It's a little bit off. It's not exactly the same hole. It's a little bit off to the side here. It's down there. It's off here a little bit more. Gosh, my pinpointer's messing up.
Right there.
Oh, yeah, my pinpointer's messing up. Oh, it's right. Gosh, it's just right here. My pinpoint. Got the camera right here?
Yep.
I'm gonna pop it up, whatever it is. Not in there. It's a little deeper.
That's a good sign.
There it is.
Oh,
There it is.
that's awesome.
Nice.
Man, that's
It's
awesome.
let me get the water. I think it's another mercury. I got 2 water bottles today, and this one's the one that was almost empty. Yeah, it's a mercury dime. So muddy today.
That's nice. It's good shape. Just like the other one. It's a 37.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't see those often.
Here, my pinpointer's going off again. There's something else right here. Let me run the coil over it though, because this is really, it could just be falsing.
Good job.
Let me run the coil over real quick. It's weird because right next to it here, there was a modern shield penny just right on the surface.
Oh,
So when I heard it, it was like a real loud mid-tone because of the silver underneath it. But I just grabbed the penny out of the way instead of going around it. Nope, the rest is iron.
which one's my pinpointer now? I
They're-
see what you're doing.
They're both carrots.
Yeah, but one wasn't working so well, you said. Nice try, Silverhawk.
You're not going to believe this, you guys. So I got 2 of the mercuries right here. I got another tone. There's a lot of iron right here, but I could hear a little bit of squeak in between the iron that was really solid. I dug it down and check it out. Where'd it go? I just saw another silver rim. Oh, is that it? Where'd it go? Did I throw it out? It really caught me off guard because... No, it's right here. Let me just pull it. It's going to be in this handful right here. There it is, right there.
Oh, yeah.
Check it out. Isn't that crazy? It's another mercury. Let's get the water on it.
That's awesome.
Isn't that cool?
Little Rosie's gonna do some slurping now. This is a good root wad.
Yeah. So here's my first 2. Right there. And then the dirty one, no, the dirtiest one. This is the one I just popped out.
Oh, yeah, it's another Merc.
Yeah.
Let's see. It's a 35.
Cool.
Yeah, 35.
Sweet. 3 mercuries right here.
Good job.
All right, 3 mercury dimes. I'm gonna let Virginia take over here. She is getting a 25-26. Yeah, it's a spill. My guess is a spill. I would just dig a big plug right here. Dig a big plug right here. Yeah, here, let me take your machine for you. We know where it's at right now. Dig it up. There's roots too, huh?
Yeah.
Notice the roots are in there? A lot of the coins were underneath those roots.
Ooh, there's a big root.
Yeah. We got
Watch
an old
Watch
cherry
it be-
tree right here.
Watch it be a barb. Don't follow from the excitement now.
I almost did.
When I said hammered, I was just kidding.
I think this is going to be probably, my guess is going to be some wheats, and there's going to be probably at least another mercury dime in there. That we got it out. It's up here. Oh,
There
there's
it
a
is.
coin. Oh, it's a nickel. It might be a Jeff.
No!
Is it? What is it?
No.
Is it Jefferson? I think it is. I think I did see it.
You guys know, just a jerk.
All right, next target. There's a mixed tone on the CTX. And I dug down about 6-7 inches and I threw out this. Looks like it's a bunch of old keys. Oh, that just fell off. So the iron ring that's holding the keys together just fell apart. So they've been down here for a while. That's an old looking key. I mean, they're not skeleton key old, but still pretty cool. What'd you get?
Oh, measuring spoon.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Check this out too. What I got? I had a screamer. I thought it was a Morgan dollar, but it's a brass hose nozzle, but it's the old style, you know. Pretty cool. Cool.
That's probably the coolest thing I found.
Okay. All right, little Rosie. Next signal right here is an old spoon. pretty cool. I don't know if it's plated or it's got a monogram on it or not. Just some fancy, I guess. Pretty cool though. Alright, next target is way down there. Popped out a square nail. And then I popped out this. Thought it was an Indian at first, but I think it's a... it's really cruddy. I think I see 1 cent though on the top. I don't know, maybe you can see it, but I could have swore I saw 1 cent. There it is, yeah. 1 cent, so it's a weedy. It's probably an older one though. I got a little die-cast car. I don't know if it's a Tootsie. It's right there. It's like it's a little Volkswagen. It's got 1 axle. Pretty cool. Okay guys, I pretty much went through this yard pretty good with the CTX big coil. Just busted out the eTrac with the 15-inch attack coil. And down this old brick here, down this hole, and some nails. We got this. Just peeling all the dirt off, and it's a gun. The funny thing is, I just found one, I think similar to this. Check it out. Yeah, it does. Here's the logo. It's another Dick Tracy gun, man. That's sweet. This one's like completely intact though. Check it out. My other one, the back end broke off. Yeah, see right there? It says Dick. Yeah, check it out. Pretty sweet, man. It's a Dick Tracy cap gun. Wow, it's complete too. It's got everything. I'm gonna be really careful with this. I'm just gonna take this thing home and I'm gonna soak it. This is probably from the, I don't know, 40s or 50s. I don't know, maybe the 60s. I don't know. We'll have to look it up and check it out. But that's complete. Man, I've been doing this for, I don't know, what, 3 years, 4 years? And never got a gun like that. And then bam, bam, back to back, I find 2 of them. That's pretty sweet. It's Andy from the Relic Rangers. We have had a lot of rain. In fact, we have flood warnings on all of our rivers here in Western Washington. So we're back at Barber Ball Field. No kidding. I'm waiting for Down and Dirty to get here to dig with myself and little Rosie. My very first target. Very deep, high squeaky chirp. I got silver in the hole. Let's go check it out. Really swampy right here, so you might want to walk around. Look, it's right there. Check it out, you guys. Look how deep this is.
Justin's calling. He must know.
Check it out. Can you see what it is?
Oh.
What is it?
Yeah, I think it is a barber.
Oh, yeah.
Is it a barber?
I don't know. Oh, look at the gray patina on
it. Was it in a fire?
No, that's the patina. It's been in this ground for a long time. I got water. Let's check it out.
Oh my gosh. Leave it to Silverhawk.
Oh, wait. I think it's a mercury.
It is?
Yeah, I can see. I think I can see the. I don't actually need water. It's just like, yeah, it's a mercury dime.
Ooh.
Look at that patina on it, though.
Yeah, you can see it now. Really nice.
It's gonna be an oldie. 16.
A 42.
Wow, that was deep for a 42. I found barbers around here that were way shallower than that.
42 Merc. Very nice.
This park has just been clobbered, but man, I'm telling you, when it rains like this, see the water on the surface? When the holes are filling up with water, that's when you go out and find silver, man, these old parks. All right, we're at an old permission that we have been to before. And Justin and I just got a token right there. Oh, I can tell right now it's a presidential token.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I thought it was a quarter, but...
Nice.
Oh, was that Roosevelt? Or is that Grant?
Clevenger?
Oh, Cleveland.
Cleveland.
Oh, nice.
Cool.
Yeah, cool. Good deal. Well, we'll clean it up and we'll show it in the wrap. Okay, guys, I'm still in front of this old house, going along the sidewalk strip. Check this out. I had a mixed tone, and you can probably see it in the hole there. It's huge. It looks silver. And then I popped out this pull tab. But then check this out. Check that out. Oh, yeah. It's the cover to a silver pocket watch, I think. Alright, I'm going to pocket this and we'll clean it up and see what it looks like. Alright. Cleaning up on the tootsies. Check it out. 3 all in one hole?
One here, and another one right here.
Nice. Cool.
We can all play now.
Yeah. I get the love bug. Nice. You got the Wagoneer. Let's get a live dig going here. See what we got. Watch a World War I lead soldiers pop out.
It wasn't the best signal, but
Oh, it is a Tootsie Toy.
Oh my
yeah,
god.
It is another one.
a half of one.
Oh, it's another love
That's
bug.
cool.
Yeah. Side of one. Cool. Crash coming down the hill.
Yeah. It rolled it right there off that cliff. Jeez.
Yeah.
That's awesome. First Tootsie spill. We're seeing Relic Ranger history today. Alright, cool. We're in an old house. 1886 house. CTX. Deep high tone. Hit it. Yeah, there it is. See how that looks silver? The Illuminati. Alright.
We'll get enough rain. Alright, just in case it's a good one. Oh, usually when we do it live, look.
Yeah, it's usually... What's that right there? Oh, you got silver!
Really?
I think it is. Let's see if YouTube can guess what it is. Oh wait, I think it's a Washington, or a Roosevelt.
It's a Rosie?
Well, actually, no, it could be a Murdoch. I see the date on the corner.
Well, even a Rosie is good. I think it is a Rosie. Yeah, it's a Rosie. It's
Nice.
a 63.
All
Look how nice it cleans up.
Yep. Gotta love the silver.
Hey,
That's awesome.
I was right. We never
Fist
get a
bump.
good live dig.
Hey, we'll take that over Illuminati any day.
And I got 3 Wheaties so far.
All right, well, let's
Pretty
keep going. So right here, you got the old. This is an old cellar. See the concrete wall. It's covered in ivy, but it goes down. They've been filling it full of brush, but it goes down there pretty far. But this is the old cellar, and then still swinging. And then my next target here. Oh, harmonica reed. Yeah, full. It's bent, but it's a complete one. Pretty cool. All right, next target is a 45 war nickel. Let's see what's on the San Francisco Mint.
All right.
We got a gooder.
Take 2.
Take 2, yeah.
The first time didn't film. So
Yes.
I dug a wheat penny in the plug. It was a 1941. Put the plug back down, rescanned. There was a little bit of dirt over those 2 coins, so I didn't see them. And then when I popped the plug open again,
Nice.
I saw that it was a quarter. We'd pulled the wheat penny out, and it's a 1919 S mint mark.
Awesome.
And the quarter is
And
a
in the heavy
standing
shiny
liberty. So we saw the tails head first. dovetail side.
Oh yeah.
And
Sweet.
smooth.
That's awesome. Standing Liberty coil. That's your second one?
This is my second one.
Good job, man. That's awesome.
Nice.
Good job. Good job.
Fist bump. Yeah. You just got stood up.
Take the stand.
Alright, got some other goodies down here. Oh, I see it. Yeah.
Nice mid-tone. 3 inches. 3 inches down there.
Sweet.
Night digging.
Yeah. Is that too bright?
Oh, that's got good detail on it.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. Oh, yeah.
Wow, this is a good spot here.
Yeah.
Sit down. I'm a victim of circumstance.
Who you hitting?
Oh, you're gone.